Gallbladder 34 is located on the outside of your leg, just below your knee. To locate gallbladder 34, place your finger on the outside of your left knee joint, right about here. Then move down. You'll be over a little bony bump, and that is the head of the fibula. Continue down till you come to the end of that bump. You'll be like in a little valley, then move forward slightly. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is gallbladder 34. Activate gallbladder 34 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate gallbladder 34 on your right leg.